Welcome to our travel guide. Today, we're exploring the stunning island of Rhodes, the largest and most eastern of the Dodecanese islands. Known for its year-round sunshine, beautiful Aegean sea views, and rich history, Rhodes is a true Greek paradise. In this video, we'll guide you through the 10 best places to visit on this magical island, from ancient ruins and medieval castles to breathtaking beaches. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Let's dive in and discover the wonders of Rhodes together. Number 1. Rhodes Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a well-preserved medieval town with a rich history. Built in the 14th century by the Knights of St. John, it has cobblestone streets, ancient walls, and the impressive palace of the grandmaster. The town blends different cultures, from Gothic architecture to Ottoman-era mosques and baths. You can explore historic sites like the Street of the Knights and the Great Hospital, shop for local crafts, or relax in modern cafes. The lively streets connect to quiet alleys, making it a unique mix of old and new. Wear comfortable shoes to enjoy its charming yet intricate pathways. 2. Street of the Knights. The Street of the Knights in Rhodes is a famous medieval road in the Old Town. This 600-meter-long street is one of the best preserved historic places on the island. Built in the 15th and 16th centuries with sandstone, it is lined with grand buildings once used by the Knights of Rhodes. You can see the ends of the tongues, where knights from different European countries stayed. Key sites include the Hospital of the Knights, now the Archaeological Museum, and the Palace of the Grandmaster, a fortress museum. By day, the street is busy with tourists, while at night, the soft lights create a magical medieval feel. 3. Acropolis of Lindos. The Acropolis of Lindos is an ancient site from the 4th century BC, standing on a 116-meter cliff with stunning views of the Aegean Sea. It includes the Temple of Athena Lindia, a Hellenistic stoa, and medieval fortifications. The site can only be reached on foot or by donkey. Key landmarks include the Propylaea, castle battlements, and 2 14th century towers built by the Knights of St. John. Below the temple lies an ancient theater with stone seats. The 4-portico building once hosted ceremonies for 1,700 people. The Bukopuyan, northeast of the Acropolis, was a sacrificial site. Nearby cemeteries feature the tomb of Cleobulus and the Ark of Cradle. 4. Anthony Quinn Bay. Anthony Quinn Bay is a famous beach on the island of Rhodes, named after the actor Anthony Quinn, who filmed The Guns of Navarone there in 1961. This beautiful bay is a top spot for visitors who love the sun and the sea. The beach has small pebbles instead of sand, and the water is a stunning emerald green. The shallow water makes it great for swimming, while the rocky coastline creates underwater reefs full of fish. These reefs make the bay perfect for snorkeling. Surrounded by dramatic cliffs, Anthony Quinn Bay is a peaceful and scenic place to relax and enjoy the natural beauty of Rhodes. 5. Profitis Ilias. Profitis Ilias is a tall mountain on Rhodes, standing at 2,619 feet, 798 meters. It is covered with pine trees and offers amazing views of the Aegean Sea and the island's coastline. Visitors can hike along beautiful trails, enjoy the fresh air, and drink cool water from the Koskan City Spring. At the top, the scenery is breathtaking, making it a great spot for nature lovers. Nearby, you can visit the monastery of Fountukli, home to the historic St. Nicolaus Chapel. This peaceful chapel is a special place to explore, with old frescoes and a calm atmosphere. Profitis Ilias is perfect for a relaxing and scenic adventure. 6. Symi Island. Symi is one of Greece's most beautiful islands, known for its colorful houses and charming harbor filled with wooden fishing boats. Along the waterfront, you'll find restaurants serving fresh seafood and delicious Greek dishes. The island's inland area is covered with forests, making it a great place for walking and cycling. Visitors can explore winding trails, enjoy the peaceful nature, and take in stunning sea views. With its relaxing atmosphere, friendly locals, and rich history, Symi is a perfect destination for those looking to experience the beauty and culture of Greece. 7. Tsambika Beach. Tsambika Beach is one of the most beautiful beaches in Rhodes. It has soft golden sand and clear blue water, making it a perfect place to relax. The beach is surrounded by high, rocky cliffs that form a crescent shape, giving it a peaceful and scenic feel. Many boat cruises stop here, bringing visitors to enjoy the stunning views and calm sea. There are several beach bars and restaurants where you can grab a drink or a meal. However, there is no town nearby, so the main attraction here is the natural beauty, warm sun, and refreshing sea. It's a great spot for swimming, sunbathing, and unwinding by the water. 8. Mandraki Harbour. Mandraki Harbour has been in use since ancient times and is believed to be where the famous Colossus of Rhodes once stood. Today, two statues, Elephos and Elephina, stand at the entrance, symbolizing the city. The harbor is now a popular spot for yachts and boats traveling to nearby islands. A long jetty stretches into the water, where visitors can see 3 historic windmills and the fort of St. Nicholas. The area is full of history and offers beautiful sea views, making it a must-visit place in Rhodes. Whether exploring its past or enjoying a boat ride, Mandraki Harbour is a special part of the island. 9. Palace of the Grandmaster. The Palace of the Grandmaster in Rhodes is full of history. It was first a Byzantine fortress in the 7th century and later became the home of the Knights of St. John of Rhodes. It is one of the few Gothic-style buildings in Greece. This grand palace played a key role in protecting the northwestern part of the old city. Today, it still holds the same magical charm. Before entering, visitors are amazed by its huge entrance, tall arched doors, and strong battlements. Inside, Greek and Roman statues decorate the large courtyard, while 150 rooms are filled with grand ornaments. One of the highlights is the beautiful Medusa mosaic, which tells an ancient story. 10. Nisyros volcano. Nisyros is a small volcanic island in the Aegean Sea, north of Rhodes. It is part of the Dodecanese Islands, along with Kos and Tylos. This hidden gem has stayed peaceful and untouched by mass tourism. The island is known for its natural beauty, with hot springs, charming fishing villages, and rich history. Visitors can explore old Byzantine chapels and ancient ruins that tell stories of the past. Nisyros is a mix of rocky landscapes and fertile lands, making it unique. With its quiet atmosphere and stunning views, it is a perfect place for those looking for a relaxing and authentic Greek island experience.